Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. The King of Denmark has died, and his wife, Gertrude, has married his brother Claudius. The king's son Hamlet has come home to Elsinore for his father's funeral. Hamlet sees the ghost of his father. The ghost tells him that it was Hamlet's uncle Claudius, the new king, who killed him and commands Hamlet to get revenge. Hamlet has been behaving strangely, and Claudius asks Hamlet's childhood friends, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, to find out why. A group of traveling actors visit the castle, and Hamlet asks them to perform a play about a man who murders a sleeping king to see how Claudius reacts. Hamlet tells his girlfriend Ophelia that he never loved her and then asks Gertrude how she can be happy when her husband has only just died. The actors perform the story of the murder of a sleeping king, and Claudius storms out. This confirms Hamlet's belief that Claudius killed his father. Hamlet and his mother, Gertrude, argue about his behavior. During their argument, Hamlet accidentally kills Polonius, Ophelia's father. Hamlet will not tell anyone where Polonius' body is. Claudius sends him to England, but he doesn't arrive. Ophelia's brother Laertes comes home and finds Ophelia has gone mad with grief. She kills herself, and Claudius and Laertes plot to murder Hamlet. Hamlet agrees to fight Laertes. During the duel, Gertrude drinks poison and both Hamlet and Laertes are fatally wounded. Hamlet kills Claudius before he dies. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Comment below if you want a video on some topic.